Hello everyone, welcome. Let's continue our study of regular ER verbs in the present tense in Spanish with the verb aprender. Aprender. Aprender means to learn. It's a regular ER verb, so the endings that you already know you'll use to conjugate the verb. Remember, all you have to do is remove the ER and you're left with the root, and then you add the endings to the root, and that's how you conjugate it. So let's practice quickly. If I want to say I learned, it's yo aprendo, I learn, or I am learning. Tú, remember the ending for tú is es, tú aprendes. Usted, él, or ella, the ending is the same for those three. Aprende. Nosotros, aprendemos. Vosotros, aprendéis. Ustedes, ellos, or ellas, aprenden. We use aprender with nouns to say what we are learning. So in this case, we have three languages here: Español, Spanish; Inglés, English; Francés, French. So let's look at some examples. Let's put those words together with the verb aprender. So if you want to say I learn or I am learning Spanish, you would say yo aprendo español. Remember that you can leave out the yo because this ends with an O, and you can simply say aprendo español. I learn or I'm learning English. Aprendo inglés. I learn or I am learning French. Aprendo francés. You learn or you are learning Spanish. Aprendes español. You learn or you are learning English. Aprendes inglés. You learn or you are learning French. Aprendes francés. If I want to say you learn or you are learning Spanish with the formal you, which is usted, remember UD is the abbreviation for usted. So I would say usted aprende español. You learn or you are learning Spanish. Usted aprende inglés. You learn English or you are learning English. And finally, if I want to say you learn French or you are learning French, you would say usted aprende francés. He learns or he is learning Spanish. Él aprende español. He learns or he is learning English. Él aprende inglés. He learns or he is learning French. Él aprende francés. She learns or she is learning Spanish. Ella aprende español. She learns or she is learning English. Ella aprende inglés. She learns or she is learning French. Ella aprende francés. If you want to negate it, you would say yo no aprendo, I don't learn. Tú no aprendes, you don't learn. Usted no aprende, you don't learn. Él no aprende, he doesn't learn. Ella no aprende, she doesn't learn. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Hasta pronto.